Yo, what is up, what is up, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Another day off, another ride tayo today. Thursday na naman. Alam na this. Ride tayo. So ngayon, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo makakapunta. Pero ngayon, on the way tayo sa Max Garage Detailing. And imimit natin si Mike Bomac dun. Kasi pahuhugasan niya yung Javel ni Pogi World. So nasa kanya yung Javel ni Pogi World siguro mga 2 weeks na ata. So hindi nagagamit ni Pogi. So ginamit muna ni Mike Bomac. And then ngayon wala kung susuli niya na, pero papahugasan niya muna kay Moto MGP sa Max Garage Detailing. So doon tayo pupunta ngayon. Meet natin sila doon. Si Max iba lakad ni Max ngayon, pero baka mag-meet din kami mamaya after ng hugas. Kasi si Nico, yung napanood nyo doon sa vlog ni Mike Bomac na huli, yung isang French na si Nico, ngayon kukuha ng lisensya, yung MSF. Actually, as of the moment, tapos na. Napasa niya na yung kanyang exam. Gusto niya mag-test ride ng Harley. So si Max pupunta rin doon para daw makapag-test ride din siya. After noon, or after ng hugas si Mike Bomac, baka magkita kami somewhere for lunch. So yun ang ganap natin today. Ito lang kasi yung chance na makapag-ride tayo this week. Kasi this weekend California weekend kami. Birthday weekend ni Mrs. So gusto niya mag-akita ng dagat, di magka-California kami. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan ko mag-ride today para makapag-upload man tayo this week, diba? Saka syempre may kate. yun eh, may kate mag-ride. So si Panigale ulit ang gamit natin today. Kasi nga as much as possible gusto kong itry gamitin siya ng gamitin para masanay tayo sa kanya. Kasi yung ating track day is coming up in 2 weeks or 1 week. Hindi, actually next week na pala yun. Next Sunday na pala yun. So sinasanay ko yung katawan ko dito sa Panigale kahit pa paano, para alam mo yun, pagdating dun hindi tayo magulat masyado. Samahan nyo lang kami today. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami aabot ni Mike Bomac. And alam ko si Moto MGP gusto rin mag-ride kasi marami siyang nilagay na parts sa kanyang Panigale. Gusto niya testingin kasi ita-track day din niya eh. So tingnan natin kung makakasama siya sa atin today, kung hindi siya busy. So abangan nyo sa YouTube ni Moto MGP kung ano yung mga parts na nilagay niya sa kanyang motor. So madami-daming parts yun, guys. Madami-daming parts yung nilagay ni Moto MGP sa kanyang bike. So parang talagang nagiging dedicated track bike na yung kanyang motor. Pero nakarehistro pa rin yun. So pwede niya pa rin gamitin sa streets kung gusto niya. Basta kayo dyan, yun naman, puti pa rin yung mundok pero masarap na yung weather. Right now it's 75 degrees. So this week is medyo uminit. Supposed to be tomorrow is around 80 degrees eh. Pero medyo cloudy, so overcast siya ng konti. Hindi masakit yung araw. And yung hangin malamig pa rin. Yun ang masarap. Maaraw pero malamig ang hangin. Diyan na kaya si Mike Bomac. Kanina nagre-ready na siya. Sabay lang kami nag-ready. So hindi ko alam kung nandiyan na siya. Kailan Moto MGP. Sobrang lapit lang natin kay Moto MGP. After ng stoplight na yan, kanila na yun. Kaya itong first part ng ride natin maikli lang to. Dito lang to sa kapitbahay natin eh. Kasi kung papahugas natin si Panigale, pero kakahugas lang ito eh. Hindi pa naman siya masyadong ganong padumi eh. Siguro yung panoorin lang natin yung Javel mahugasan. Dito na tayo. Ganun lang. Dito na kaya si Mike Bomac. Palagay ko wala pa. Nandiyan na ata. May customer din. May customer din si Moto MGP. What's up, Moto MGP? Ha? Trabaho. Pogi ng runner, oh. Nabalik mo na? Nabalik mo na yung fairing? Wait na, boss. Busy ah. Ha? PPF? Yun, oh. PPF. Puting puti. Alright, abangan natin si Mike Bomac. Let's go.
Didn't forget shit. Okay, we good? Let's go.
What's up?
Hala! Tapos na ang detail. Ibig sabihin, uuwi na si Jabel
Saan uwi? Kay Pogi?
kay Pogi. Munti ka ng sinusubukan kang butulin, no? Yung nakupong yun, no? Gago rin yun, eh. Yan yung mastermind ng budol, eh.
Pinaparide sa akin yung motor niya. Ulol!
Para kang color coordinated na pinastyle na Marilaki ba tayo?
Oo, sabi sa'yo eh.
Wah,
Buti nga, di shoot yung boots eh.
helmet, motor, jacket, lahat. Wow, bro.
Buti di shoot yung boots, Brad.
Ikaw na. Gago, legit ka, gago.
Ha?
Yung formahan mo.
Pang Marilaki ba? Pang Marilaki.
Brad.
Tinesting ko lang. Clear. Kanan na. Tinesting ko lang. Nasa closet, Brad eh.
Gago, bagay na bagay. Teka pa mag G7 kanina.
Pinaparide sa akin yung motor ni Moto MGP. Ako nga. Yan.
Gawain natin yun.
Tapos gagawin mo sa akin.
Buti naman nag-iisip ka na ngayon, no? Hindi ka nadadala ng emotion.
Hindi. Iba na ako ngayon, Brad. Pupunta natin yung mga French boys. The French boys.
Hindi ko masabi kung sa motor o yung motor yung bumagay sa'yo, Brad, eh. Kasi magkaiba yun, eh. Ha? Teka lang.
Kung kahit
Full outfit. Brother, look at that shit.
tanggal
huh?
pa. Tanggal yung ano ko. Bago.
Alin?
Yung kumaya na nga.
Ay.
Tabi tayo doon sa ano.
Sige.
Ano po pagpag aking chin guard. Alam ko kasama kita kaya para may video. Kaya nag-outfit ako, pre. Outfit check.
Init na, no? 80 degrees, oh.
80 naka-leather, buta ina. Nasa lilim. Ayusin ko lang yung aking chin guard. Dali lang, guys, balikan ko kayo. Uy.
Maandar.
God.
Bebot?
May bot na mukhang lalaki.
Iwata.
Ayun, pucha, pogi pa na nga Shit.
Pogi ka. Sabi sa'yo, marelax ang dating mo, eh.
Police on the left side.
Kahit tong hoodie na to, mainit, bro.
Mainit dyan. Sure yan. Actually, kanina iniisip ko na mag-mesh eh. Mag-mesh na ako ng jacket kanina eh.
Wala, hindi ka ganyan kapogi.
Ayun lang.
Mag-tiis ka na lang.
Kaya nga, tiis pogi. Tiis pogi nga. Yung mga French monsters nasa Harley Davidson. Tumitingin ng ng RD. Mainit?
Lahat talaga matching ang putsahan itong top ko.
Hindi ko shoot.
Swerte.
Hindi ko shoot yung boots, Brad. Yung sinuot ko yung boots, puta. Pipictorial tayo.
That's it. Ikaw lang.
Pang gears and grinds yung mga ganito formahan.
Pwede ka mag-gears and grinds.
Gears and grinds. Anong engine temperature niya ngayon?
210.
210 ah? 210 na yan?
Oo, mainit to.
Oh shit. Mainit si Jabel. Okay, let's go guys. Mainit
Okay, ito,
guys.
pag natuloy yung Vespa bukas ng gabi, okay to.
Ay, wala ako bukas. Enjoy kayo.
Enjoy ka rin, magkakalik eh.
Oo.
Doon warm, sa California warm.
California, dagat-dagat kami bukas. Mabante, bante na!
Inantay pa talaga yung berde ang putsa. Bagal pa niya oh.
Pag umaandar, masarap eh.
Oo,
Sabi.
pero ako naman yan, di ba? Medyo perforated yung
Oo.
leather na yan, di ba?
Kaya masarap.
May butas yan.
Masarap siya eh, oh. Russell tayo, no? Russell yan, di ba? Pwede, Russell.
I think so. Basta una ka, sundan kita. Ay, buta, hindi pa to. Basta saan pa nakatingin tong driver na to? Labo ni Home Bros.
Kaya telepono na pa puta.
Yeah.
$86 degrees, puta.
Ano?
Mainit to na yun. Sabihin ng mga nanonood, pagka malamig, reklamo kayo reklamo. Ngayon mainit, reklamo pa rin kayo reklamo. Hindi na namin nagreklamo, nagkikwento lang kami. Tsaka anong oras na ba ngayon? Halos noon na, no? Anong oras na ba? Gusto ko sila ba?
Basta alauna.
Alauna na? Shit.
Alauna.
I-invade ng Ducati ang Harley Davidson. 4 na Ducati. Nakapark sa labas ng Harley yan. Pogi ni Jabel, oh. Bagong linis. Napakalinis.
Apaka-forma ka.
Ang linis, oh. Yan Jabel, pwede rin talagang ano yan eh, all around bike eh, no? Pwede rin talaga siyang all around bike eh.
Pwede.
Oo, pwede talaga siya eh, oh.
Lalo na yung mileage kanina.
Oo, pwede. Isa pa motor sa likod, ano yan? Dalawa? Pan-America.
Yup.
Verde, abot ba tayo? Hindi tayo abot.
NFB. Sakto yan. Magre-refrain tayo uli ng camera. Dali na ito natin si Nico. Let's go, bro.
Pero ang gusto niya talaga, parang cruiser type, no? Cruiser type ang gusto niya. Jabel talaga, Jabel. Iisip ko na yung kanina actually. Kunin ko yung Jabel, paparide ko sa kanya. Eh kaya lang, hindi ko makakaporma pag ginamit ko yung Jabel. Minsan lang tupakin mag-matching-matching.
I know. Hindi, ay, hinaf-ass mo pa, hindi mo pa win 100%.
Oo, hindi pa. Sa ano yan? Sa Gears and Grinds.
One Sunday, abangan nyo.
One Sunday. Sa kanan yun, di ba? O tama, kakaran tayo, di ba? O.
Mag-u-turn tayo ata uli after ng sign.
Verde. Lalim. Dito meron na to eh. Meron.
Ha?
Meron kayo tayo. Go pa yung ano ah. Go ba? Pwede. Ayun
Ito
oh.
yung mga French monsters.
French Masters oh. Dito oh. The French Monsters. Alright. Twinning yung dalawa. May susi nga pala ako.
Ayan na naman tayo.
Hindi sanay mag ano eh. Hindi sanay magsusi. Hindi ako sanay na walang cowl yung ano, yung motor mo.
Oo nga. Nagmukha siya tuloy ano, R. Alright, dealership.
Ayun dalawa. Ayun o, laki to guys. Tingnan natin kung anong titignan nila dito. Let's go.
What's up?
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
How's the test? Good? Easy?
Yeah,
Super easy.
No, it's the test in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, really easy.
Is this the one you're looking?
Yeah.
Single brake.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bon Jovi?
Bon Jovi. Bonichon. Alright, so we're going to Uncommons.
Yeah, the favorite spot.
Time to eat. time to eat lunch.
Yeah.
Late lunch now.
Will you follow Big Mac?
Yeah.
Bonjour.
Go.
Oh, Nichon.
What's up, Max? How's the car though? Uh-oh.
That's great.
It's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're pretty.
We'll see on the highway with the wind. But yeah.
You're pretty clear right now. So
Yeah, you're pretty clear, right? That's good.
nice.
You want to say hi to? You want to say hi to our vlog?
Huh?
Say hi.
Huh?
Say hi in French.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. That's
Hey.
it.
That's it. Yeah.
Why would you get a electric bike for motorcycle? Maybe scooter. Yeah, sure.
For the bike, it's not bad.
Which one?
The surround.
Oh, the Suron. The Suron. Yeah,
Ah.
that's a different category. Like
Yeah.
you're there to buy a Harley Cruiser, and then they're gonna offer you electric bike. Like, come on, man.
That already shows you that they don't know what the hell they're talking about.
It's like you go to Ducati, you want to buy a Street Fighter, they're gonna offer you the mountain bike that they have. You know. You guys miss my Monster? Oh, yes. You still see it every day. Nico needs to buy a helmet, gears,
Yeah. And Ricardo.
and a car though. Now we can talk shit to Max. He got Cardo now.
You cannot talk shit to him anymore.
Bonichon.
Bonus.
Tu veux une pipe ce soir?
Hey, I have a French viewer, okay? He knows what you're talking about. Tu vous, Rola? C'est soi.
Hein?
Tu vous, Rola? C'est soi?
Tu veux rouler? Yeah.
Roller?
Yeah. Rouler, yeah.
Bro, it's 90 degrees.
Yeah. 91.
89.
88.
Ah.
God
89.
damn.
My balls are very hot.
My balls are very hot. Air feels good. Can you still hear us, Max?
No, he cannot.
Are we gonna make it?
Hope so. We did make it.
And then we go make a right.
I think on the stoplight, no? It has to be on the stoplight. Madura. It looks good when there's a lot of Ducatis.
Imagine there's one Harley. Come on, man. Just kidding, guys.
He doesn't have a cargo yet. We can talk shit.
This one, this one. Yeah, we should have make a right in Mole.
Aule. And we are back in the favorite lunch place.
Ow, ow. No parking, boys.
Shit.
Oh, here. Oh, ride share.
Yeah.
Wow.
Shit.
Wow. Ayun oh. Doon na lang.
Right there. In
Yeah.
front. Straight.
Oh.
He can't park.
Maxi boy can park.
Like that. It's perfect.
He's fast, but he can park.
Yeah.
Okay, let's eating. That burger was good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like it?
Yes.
Alright, where are we going now? Ducati?
Gotti.
Ducati.
Ducati, Gelapon. I learned a new word.
Gelapin.
Gelatin.
Gelapin.
Yeah.
Gelatin.
Bye, general admission. We look for Budol.
Yeah.
Udon.
We're just gonna take the inside road, okay? We're not gonna go out the freeway. Oh my god, what was that?
Wind noise from from Macdonald.
God damn. Stay there.
Max, you introduce Nico to Vince, okay?
In French.
French, okay.
Tell Vince to tell Nico that Ducati is the best.
I think Nico said it. Ducati is the best, but
But it's the American dream.
The American.
I'm trying. We're just really trying hard to save him from the American dream
Yeah.
because it's expensive.
Yeah. The American dream is more expensive than beautiful Ducati, so.
There's an echo, no? There's an echo on Mike's Mac's voice. It's
Yeah.
like it sounds like you're in a restroom, bro. Just like that, we're here. Ah, that's the Panigale SP, oh. Panigale SP. Dang. Carbon wheels.
Oh, so SP does comes with carbon wheels then.
Probably, yeah. SP2 Acra exhaust.
And then what about the? I know it's dry clutch already,
Yeah.
but he probably changed this.
Just the cover to
Yeah.
to expose it.
That's gotta be at least 30,000 still, no?
Probably, yeah. So G6.
Jabel.
Javel, oh.
What are you looking? Nico.
Have you checked Indian too? Have you seen their bikes? Oh, you don't like it? No.
It's American too, right?
Yeah.
Look who's there.
I took out the fucking the handle grip shits.
Look who's there. Damn, it's crazy. Both of my bikes are here. Still looks the same, bro. I miss this bike. I miss this bike.
It's fun. I mean, I hated the gas cap, so I ended up going with a Halo.
Oh, you did change it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Halo. Okay. And then you changed the
I took the
handguards.
hand guards.
Yeah.
Threw the new cycle gear fucking turn signals on it.
The NRC ones?
Yeah.
Where is it?
These are here.
This one. Yeah. This one. Yep.
Yeah.
Man, miss ko to ah.
I guess we're going Red Rock. I think Minyo's gonna go Red Rock too later. Shit, I don't know what time.
Oh, okay.
But then he's still washing a customer's car. He said after, so I don't know. It'll be nice if Matt's gonna be there, no? At Red Rock, so you can finally meet him.
Yeah.
Back to Red Rock Gaming with the French bros.
The French monsters.
French monster bros. Oui. Na oui na ako. Oui.
Not a person, although watch out, there's a person in there. You think?
Don't do it! Don't do it!
Shit.
Oh, there's a lot of bikes. Where are you guys going?
I passed it.
Go back, close the exit.
It was too good.
So much, having too much fun.
Stupid ass.
Lumagpas sila. They missed the right turn.
It's too good,
Thank
man.
you.
I passed it.
Thank you.
Like the clutch too, man.
How you been, guys? How's the
It
trip?
was too fun.
Okay, uwi na. Bye. Au revoir.
Bye.
Au revoir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, tara.
Putang ina ko. TFTI.
Nagaya naman ako. Check lang. No, that's 151.
Before power. Jabel power, baby. Okay. Okay, ingat.
Ano? Ingat. Text na lang.
Yes, sir. Alright, so yun na nga. Uuwi na tayo. Medyo marami-rami rin tayo napuntahan. Kay Moto MGP, Harley, Uncommons, Ducati, and Red Rock. So yun, si Nico nakapasa na sa test. So meron na siyang endorsement. Kailangan na lang niyang dalhin sa DMV para mailagay sa kanyang lisensya. And then gusto talaga niyang bilhin, first bike dito sa America is Harley. Kasi yun daw talaga yung American dream. So sabi namin, sige go ahead, bilhin mo yung Harley. Sabi niya, but I want, gusto rin naman daw niya ng Ducati. Hindi naman kaya lang as a first bike dito, gusto niya Harley nga. Mamaya namin kung anong gusto mo, yun ang bilhin mo. Ano yan, sa amin na suggestion lang. Pero kanina nga merong nandun sa Ducati. Yung bumili pa yung bumili ng hypermotard ko. Nandun kanina, nakita natin si Motmot, guys. Nakakatuwang makita siya ulit. Tapos kaya ni Vince, sabi niya, how you like your hypermotard? Sabi niya gano'n, sabi niya, oh, it's better than my Harley. Sabi ko, Nico, you heard that? He said it's better than his Harley. So traffic na, guys. So yun ang gusto niyang bike, yung kanina, yung pinakita natin sa loob ng Harley Davidson, yung street bob ba yun? Or hindi ko kasi kabisado yung mga models nila pero yun ang kanyang gusto. So tignan natin kung anong makuha niya. Pero excited na siyang kumuha ng motor. Sabi niya, gusto ko nang kumuha, gusto ko nang mag-ride din talaga. So, si Max so far nag-enjoy pa rin sa motor niya. Sa Monster. Pero pinakita kasi sa amin ni Vince yung Street Fighter niya sa loob, sa likod kanina. Ang ganda kasi ng Street Fighter ni Vince. Wala nang stock dun lahat pinalitan na yung reaction ni Max kanina parang kasi pogi naman talaga ng Street Fighter. Alright, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa atin today. Sa ating bagong subscriber, welcome po sa ating channel. Mga hindi umalis, nag-aabang, nanonood, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Road to 1K tayo, guys. Baka naman pag napadaan kayo dyan pinutin nyo na yung subscribe button. Alright, until the next one, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.